and welcome. I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode I am going to make the most amazing cinnamon roll icing that you'll ever have. Here are my ingredients: vanilla, powdered sugar, butter, and half and half. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now for the cinnamon roll frosting, first add your butter. Now cream the butter until smooth. Now add a cup of powdered sugar. Now give this a good mix until well combined. And also don't forget to go in and scrape this side of the bowl. Now add your vanilla. Hey guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Now add another cup of powdered sugar. Now give it a mix. Now add your half and half. Now add the rest of your powdered sugar. Now make sure everything is well smooth. Hello guys, as you can tell, my vanilla icing is ready and it smells amazing. I love the smell of vanilla. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.